A captivating country with a rich history, magnificent natural beauty, delicious cuisine, warm hospitality, and a multitude of places waiting to be explored. Vietnam. Number 1. Hoi An. This old port city located in the central part of Vietnam is famous for its historical architecture, colorful lanterns, and colonial-era buildings. Its old town area with narrow streets, ancient bridges, and historic houses is enchanting for everyone. It's a popular shopping destination for handmade products, textiles, and local crafts. If you want to experience Vietnam's cultural richness and history together, be sure to visit this destination. Number 2. Halong Bay. A unique natural beauty located in the north of Vietnam. This region is composed of thousands of small islands, and you will see plenty of limestone cliffs here. The bay dazzles with its impressive turquoise sea. If you visit this region, you can explore the sea and caves with boat tours. Number 3. Sapa. Sapa is a magnificent mountainous region located in the northwest of Vietnam in the Lao Cai province. This region is famous for its dazzling natural beauty, ethnic minority villages, and landscape-rich rice terraces. Sapa is especially an excellent destination for trekking. Phan Xipang Mountain hosts Vietnam's highest peak and is an exciting option for those interested in climbing. Number 4. Mekong Delta. The Mekong Delta is a river delta located in the southern part of Vietnam and is also known as the Rice Bowl of Vietnam. This region is where the waters of the Mekong River fan out into the sea. The Mekong Delta is famous for its exotic vegetation, floating markets, and river cruises. It is surrounded by fruit orchards, rice fields, and fishing villages. This region is a peaceful holiday destination known for its tranquility and natural beauty. Number 5. Hue. is a historic city located in the central part of Vietnam. It is known for its historical temples and palaces. The most significant attraction in Hue is the Imperial City, which is listed as a UNESCO World Heritage Site. This vast complex includes palaces, temples, walls, and gardens. Additionally, the Hoang River and its surroundings offer beautiful scenery. It is an ideal destination for those interested in exploring Vietnamese culture. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to stay tuned for more.